Hello and welcome to the Complete Personal Expenses Management course. My name is Saad Marai. I am a planning engineer and I will be your instructor for this course. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently record your expenses. And based on the average expenses, you can determine your monthly and annual budget. After that, I will show you how you can follow up your expenses and monitor them based on the budget you set. After applying what you learned from this course, you will be able to do the following things. You can determine your estimated expenses and budget on monthly and annually basis. On monthly basis, you will track your expenses and compare them against the budget. And you can check how much left to spend. You can compare your expenses against incomes. For each category of expenses, you'll be able to find what exactly you spent. How your expenses distributed, and how you did comparing to the budget. You will have an overall look at your expenses and the average amount you spent by category. You will also be able to track how was your expenses, incomes and savings through time. You will be able also to track your performance this year. And based on your performance, you'll be able to see what is your estimated expenses at the end of the year. After we have everything set up, you can put a plan for the next 12 months or 24 months as you need. And that is based on the budget you set and the estimated expenses and incomes you put. To do all the previous, you need a few tools. First, you need an application to record your expenses. In this course, we will use an app called Toshel Finance, and later on I will explain why I chose this app. But also you can use another application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets or any other software that serves the purpose. But you always should use the same template because we need it for the next step, which is an analyze software. And here we will use one software only, which is Microsoft Power BI. And for the most people who don't know what is Power BI, it is a software used to analyze data and show them through a variety of beautiful graphs and charts. Maybe Excel can do that, but what distinguishes Power BI is the speed and the ability to change data easily. You don't need to learn Power BI, as I will provide the source file to it. But as an advice, I recommend if you learn Power BI for your benefit. I will put a link for a free course from Microsoft, which I personally found very beneficial. So again, you don't need to learn any new application, but all you need is dedication. Because if you want to get the most benefit from this course, you need to have the will to record your expenses and incomes, which require a daily effort, just a few minutes per day. That's all I have for the introduction. See you in the next chapter.